So here everyone, this is my room where I work. So today I thought to give a room tour because I never done that. So see, this is the entrance where I come into the room, and this is a storage where I keep my office laptop, my camera lenses, camera bag, notebooks, and my books, and this humidifier. This is because I am having sinus, so I need this on daily basis, so I have to use it. And I bought few things from like other countries where I travel. This is books for my Japanese and lenses, and this is like novels or some productivity books I read. And yeah, it's simple. I have this headphone for me, and I love Fuji-san, which is like Mount Fuji in Japan, so I have like bunch of them. So this, and then this, and then I have one more there, here. So this is my wardrobe, and this is a window where I can see outside, and it's quite dark right now. And then I have this. I love minions, and I love Rubik cubes, timers, Santa, and all. Yeah, they're like quite decorative stuff. And then this is my desk where I do work, and I have this standing desk, so you can make it this way, like this, so it will go down. And there I have a PS5, and though I haven't done the wire management pretty well yet, so it's like very messy, but yeah, just ignore it. Okay, so this is the balcony here. Can go. So this is the balcony. Yeah, but it is dark, so you can't see anything, but yeah. Yeah. Done. And this is a corner where I sit to have coffee, to work. Like when I'm not using this big monitor, 4K monitor, I sit here and I work. Like if I have to write something, I have iPad, but I usually write things on paper. So these are my notebooks where I write almost every single thing daily, whatever I'm doing, the ideas and the work, everything. I love cactus and plants, so yesterday I bought this. And usually I like dried flowers, so here are some dried flowers. And if I talk about my table, then I have this Keychron K2 Pro keyboard, which is a fully mechanical keyboard. And I have this Dell 4K 32-inch monitor for work, because I need a big space to work, so I have this much big space. And then as a laptop, I have this M3 Max with 36 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk. This is a quite powerful machine for me, and like I use a lot of things on this, like DaVinci Pro, or like 5 copies of Golang and 2 copies of Rust Rover, and like 100 plus tabs on the Brave or the Big Safari combined. So I never felt like it's not working well. So yeah, it's working really well for me. And here I have this like my phone, which is the iPhone 16 Pro. And initially my table used to look like this before the upgrade. So before I was having this table, and now I have this. And yeah, I like to decorate my room like as much as I can, and this is all I was doing so far. And finally I have this piano because I like to play, and I'm learning now about this. So yeah, I have this near my window, so like whenever it is raining or it's evening, I just like take the curtain out, and I just try to place whatever I can play. Yeah, so yeah, this was all. This is a like short and sweet room tour. And in my other videos you already saw the my living and dining where I sit usually, and then I have a bedroom, and I don't think I have to I need to show that the bedroom. So yeah, that's all. And today I'm having cold, so I'm putting on this mask because, as I said, I have sinus. So yeah, I'm suffering from sinus. And on weekends I play PS5, and nowadays I'm playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Season 2. I'm not good at it, but yeah, it's fun. Anyways, see you in the next video, and meanwhile, yeah, enjoy this short and sweet room tour. Thank you.